The Buick Encore is a compact crossover SUV providing upscale feature content and a level of refinement that's a rarity in this size vehicle. It's available with front or all-wheel drive and is powered by a turbocharged 1.4-liter inline four-cylinder engine mated to a 6-speed automatic transmission. With 138 horsepower and 148 pound-feet of torque, our all-wheel drive tester moved along quite smartly, while returning just under 29 miles to the gallon for us in a variety of driving. Despite the relatively small engine, our Encore felt more than up to the task in all of our travels, with smooth, strong, quiet responses to the driver's demands. In the handling department, the Buick provided accurate, sporting, sure-footed road manners, making it fun to drive on all kinds of roads over all kinds of surfaces. When the roads turned a bit rough, the Encore maintained a solid, secure feel, along with very good ride characteristics for a small vehicle, further adding to our fun. Engine and road noise is very well muted in the Encore at all speeds, making the cabin a serene, comfortable place to spend time. Given the very modest exterior dimensions of the Buick, front seat stretch-out space is surprisingly good, as is rear seat and cargo room. The furnishings of our premium level tester were what you'd expect of a luxury vehicle, with items like heated leather seats, a telescoping and tilting heated steering wheel, reverse camera, navigation system, electronic device connectivity, remote starting, front and rear parking sensors, dual zone climate control, and many other features at the ready to add to the enjoyment of drivers and passengers. List pricing for the Buick Encore begins at just over $24,000 and ranges to a bit over $29,000 for a premium all-wheel drive model like our tester. Not bad at all these days. We found the Encore to be a nimble, refined, fun to drive, capable, comfortable, very well equipped, economical to operate vehicle. If all that sounds good to you, and you don't need especially large capacity for rear seat passengers or heavy loads, this small Buick may be right up your alley.